Hello, welcome once again to my channel. In this video I will show you how I make simple party jollof rice, Nigerian jollof rice. Everyone, let's dive into it. First, I have 11 fresh tomatoes. I wonder why I didn't make it 12. Then I have scotch bonnet pepper. This scotch bonnet pepper is not spicy or peppery, so I'll be using 11. Then I have red bell pepper. I will be using just 6, and it is all washed behind camera. And please make sure you remove the seeds because it can make your rice bitter. So I'll be putting this in oven for 20 minutes. Keep watching and see how I prepare it. And then I have some garlic I'll be putting it in the oven with. So while that is aside, in this bowl I have seasoning, curry powder, rosemary, fresh ginger, bell leaf, and salt to taste. Keep watching. All the quantities will be at the description box down below. Next, I have vegetable oil. I have chicken stock. I have freshly chopped onions, and then I have my tomato puree. I'm using just 1 sachet of tomato puree. Keep watching and see how I prepare all of this together. Then next, after putting my fresh tomato red bell pepper in the oven, this is what it looks like. So if you look very well in the tray, you notice there is water. So the next thing is to blend it. We do not need to cook or parboil after this. Keep watching. Doing your tomato this way, preparing your tomato this way makes it have that party, smoky party jollof rice taste, everyone. So I'll just show you how peel off the garlic. That is it. So simple. All right, next is to get a clean blender. I'll blend this behind camera, and after blending, this is what it looks like. Thick enough for the jollof rice, everyone. If this is your first time here, you are highly welcome. Continue watching, do not go away, everyone. So next, I'll place my pan on fire. When it gets hot, I add my vegetable oil, and next I add my already chopped onions. And stir for a minute. Then next I go with my tomato paste or tomato puree and continue to stir on medium flame for 5 to 10 minutes. Doing this help the tomato paste to loosen its taste. And then next I go with my seasoning, curry powder, I dry rosemary, and continue to stir to combine. Then next I add my freshly prepared tomato paste and continue to stir. If this is your first time here, you are highly welcome. If you are returning, thanks for returning back. Don't forget to like, comment, share my video to your friends and family, and don't forget to support this channel by watching the ads. So next I'll allow this to cook on a low flame for 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes I'll continue to stir to combine. And then next I go with seasoning, curry powder, some salt to taste, and dry rosemary, and continue to stir. And also at this point I added my bell leaf and stir for 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes on a medium flame, our tomato is drying, almost ready but not yet ready. And then while I'm doing this, I'm also cleaning up the environment, keeping it tidy. Okay, so at this point now it's almost ready. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to add my already washed rice. In this video, I use just 5 cups of rice. Cook according to the quantity you would like to. If you've watched my video up to this point, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. So you notice that I did not add the chicken stock yet, so keep watching and see when I add it. So the next thing I do right now is to use a foil to cover up the rice before placing the pot cover or the lid. Doing this allows the seasoning to get into your rice and it makes it tasty. So allow it to cook on a medium flame for 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, I will take a turning stick and stir to combine. Keep watching, don't go away, the rice is not ready yet, everyone. So at this point, I'll add my chicken stock and continue cooking. Let's cook together, don't go away, everyone. Keep watching and see how we cook party jollof rice. Simple, smoky party jollof rice, everyone. If you're new, you're highly welcome. I have yummy recipes updated every week on this channel. Don't forget to like and don't forget to click on the links down below to watch more yummy recipes, more delicious delicacies on this very channel. So after adding my water and allowing it to cook for 25 minutes, I take a turning stick and stir to combine, and I noticed the rice is still hard, so I allow it to continue cooking. So this very simple jollof rice will be eaten with fish, and in today's recipe the fish will not be fried. I will just steam it, add my seasoning cube and freshly blended red bell pepper, scotch bonnet pepper and onions, and allow to steam. Then I add a little vegetable oil so it does not stick, and then allow to cook for 10 minutes and it is ready. Fish does not require too much cooking. It is ready and it will be served with this jollof rice. You could use any beef, any protein of your choice, but in this very recipe I use fish. So at this point, our party jollof rice is ready. Simple but delicious party jollof rice. Let me know what you think about this simple party jollof rice at the comment section down below. Alright, thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay connected. See you in the next video and bye for now.